Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Yawale, and in this tutorial today, I will be showing you how I was able to modify my powerful machine. Modifying this machine takes a lot of tasks, and it's just because I want to make it more multifunctional away from the regular handbag stitching that I used to use this for earlier. I want to change it to make it a open purpose that we're able to stitch different things. This is how it was before, and coming up right now in here, I have modified it to this. Now I can stitch on a flat base with this. So come to me right now to see how I will be doing it step by step. In here, this is it. You can see it looks more easier to work with an amateur. We're going to have an easy stitching on this machine at this point. So what we're going to do is that you can see, even despite I've upgraded it and increased it to the open to put it on a flat base, which I've drop it right down, my pedal hop is still functioning because I had to cut all the space that the line is going to use to connect to the pedal out. So after doing that, I come in here to then come over and stitch. So now on a flat base, you can see I can now rest my hand on the board and then I run this stitching straight right now. You can see just as if I'm stitching on my straight bed sewing machine, okay, just like that. So the sewing in here is very easy, and then for a first timer in it, an amateur in stitching can definitely use this machine right now. So I'm done, I'm set with it. So easy to fix. That's good. I experienced some difficulties in putting it all together, but with the help of my hand tools, we're able to get this out. You like what you see, like, share and subscribe. I'm Sunday Wale. Look forward to having my subsequent upload